Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jonathan Wood with Winvo Realty, operating here in Austin, Texas. Today I'm here in the Rockwood plan of the Scott Felder's home here in North Round Rock at the Green off University Boulevard. Let me take you guys inside. It's a $622,000 home, reduced $40,000 down to $90, so $10 right under the 583 mark. I will tell you guys a little bit more when we get inside, but let me tell you, the floor plan's great, the prices and numbers are looking good, and the home is already under inspection, so no doubt this place will sell soon. So let me get you guys an inside view before this one does. Follow me. All right. And this house is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, as well as one external office that's located deeper inside. But as soon as we step in, we're greeted with wood vinyl floorings and 10 to 12 feet ceilings, especially up here next to the chandelier, as well as 2 bedrooms located here at the front with 1 auxiliary bedroom for them to share. The first one is going to be facing the outermost front of the home. All of the bedrooms come equipped with sliding panel doors. And the second one here on the other side faces the side of the home, which also gets an ambient amount of lighting depending on what side the home is facing. As we walk deeper in here, I do want to let you guys know that as we approach the mudroom and the laundry room set up here on the left side by the jacket closet, we do have the office here on our right that we'll cover in a little bit. Mudroom here for your kids' backpacks, stuff like that when they get home from school. Garage door access, as well as an electric hookup laundry. This house also has a $45 HOA and 1.83% tax rate, which is extremely low prices already on top of the $622,000, $40,000 reduction. This here is going to be the office with 4 pane windows facing the side of the home as the last auxiliary bedroom as well. Plenty of space if you guys want to use it for your office setup for a work at home, your kids' study room, or if you guys would like to use it as a 5th bedroom. Plenty of space for that. Right adjacent from the kitchen on the other side of the hall, we have quartz countertops, all stainless steel modern appliances with the sink and dishwasher here, as well as the microwave and oven hookup here, with the refrigerator on the other side of the kitchen and vent and stove here, with a pantry located here in the corner for all your foods that you could imagine collecting, a little space for your wine cabinet, and plenty of external countertop space, all in quartz with a window to the side of the home. Unfrosted if you guys want to customize that, but plenty of ambient light into the mix of the living and potential breakfast room here if you guys want to have a little dining room here adjacent from the kitchen. The living room here itself has 3 paned windows facing the back of the backyard, as well as the backyard door here is a single modern door to lead out to the backyard, as well as a TV hookup and wall mount right here, and all in one room. Plenty of space for you guys to customize your home with. Taking you guys a little back towards this rear hallway here before we get into the master bedroom. We have a 3rd auxiliary bedroom here with its own standing shower, and with this one facing the side of the home as well. Also with a sliding closet door right here. Perfect for the member in your family that wants to get tucked away, or if you want to use this room for storage. All right, and with this home being at a 2,398 square feet, just a little bit 2,400, it is no wonder that Scott Felder's made this with so much space while keeping the home so compact. We have a beautiful tucked roof here. If you guys are a fan of architecture, that is a very rustic design, as well as the TV and wall mount here on this side of the wall. We do have a very beautiful 6 pane with 4 being the 2 main windows and 2 on the top, giving you ambient lighting into wherever you want to put your bed here, as well as the master bath with standing shower, double vanity here behind me. I want to introduce you guys to the walk-in closet and linen closet first for all of your wardrobe and clothes needs, backing up to the standing shower, as I mentioned earlier, with 2 shower heads if you guys want to shower with your +1 to get things done quicker, or if you guys want to have double the water power, as well as the double vanity and the tucked toiletry room here in the very back. This is the Scott Felder's neighborhood called The Green, and it is not called The Green for no reason. You guys have plenty of green space here in your backyard. Of course, the home is under inspection, so the grass is going to be mowed one more time. But even then, it gives you guys a perfect outlook of how spacious your backyard is. Perfect if you guys have friendly animals, pets, or even children that wants to put in a pool, trampoline. If you guys want to have room for a shed to keep you guys items. I know a lot of fathers out there like to work on their stuff. This is the perfect backyard for you guys. All that. You do have side gates on each side, as well as water runners and outlets. So if you guys want to hook up an electric grill, feel free to do that as well. This neighborhood is very friendly, especially with the $45 HOA, and gives you guys plenty of options to host your cookout or build the backyard of your dreams. I feel like you guys would love to have. The community here on the Green has plenty of space, as well as a playground for kids. If you guys like to take walks, plenty of sidewalks and paved roads, as well as right here, University Boulevard. It's going to be 3 minutes down this way, east, to 130, the toll road, and 5 minutes down west to I-35, which takes you down to Houston and San Antonio and up to Dallas. We're also 15 minutes away from places like the Kalahari Water Park down in Round Rock, 15 minutes from the Samsung Semiconductor plant in Taylor, Texas, as well as right off of Palmer here if you guys keep taking this past I-35. Here, only 15-20 minutes away without traffic. To places like Apple, Community, Round Rock outlets, as well as hospitals and schools like Ascension Seton and Baylor Scott and White. And come get this home while you guys can. And if you guys would like to use us, I am Jonathan Wynn with Winvo Realty, operating all over the greater Austin area. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.